Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. In this video, we will present a sociolinguistic article and the title Sociolinguistic Approach to ELT Perspective from English Teacher. Okay, before going to the material, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Atin Parhawati and my friend Nurul Herawati. We are from class 3A. Okay, just go straight to the first slide is table of content. Okay, the first slide is a table of content. The first article identity, second abstract, third introduction, four method, five result and discussion, and the last conclusion. Okay, the next slide is article identity. The title is a sociolinguistic approach to ELT perspective from English teacher. The journal name is Journal of English for Specific Purpose in Indonesia. The author are Nurmaisa and Safnil Arshad. Volume 1, number 1, page 37 until 42, and the last published in July 2022. Okay, the next slide is abstract. The abstract in this article explains the problem is learning English, where students have difficulty speaking and understanding the material due to limited vocabulary, and the use of foreign text and context in textbook. This condition encourage the need for a sociolinguistic approach, which helps students more easily understand the English context. This research used a qualitative descriptive method with 26 English teachers as participants. The results show that the sociolinguistic approach provides positive benefit and improves student understanding. The keyword is a sociolinguistic approach, ELT, and teacher perspective. Okay, the next slide is introduction. English is a popular foreign language in Indonesia, taught from kindergarten to university. However, its use is still limited because most Indonesians prefer to use their mother tongue and Indonesian in their daily lives. As a result, students often have difficulty understanding English lesson due to the limited vocabulary and narratives in textbook that are considered foreign. The sociolinguistic approach is seen as a solution to help a student understand English. According to Helmes 2001, sociolinguistic studies the relationship between language and society and how it is used to convey social meaning. With this approach, students can more easily understand the context of the textbook and improve their English language skill. The study focuses on the sociolinguistic approach in the teaching and learning process of English as a second language or EFL. The researcher wants to explore the teaching approach, method, and strategies used in foreign language classes and their impact on the teaching and learning process. Unlike previous studies, this study aims to understand teacher perception of the sociolinguistic approach in ELT and the obstacle faced by the teacher in its implementation. The research question include the first, what are teacher perception of the use of the sociolinguistic approach? The second question is, what are the obstacles to implementing the sociolinguistic approach? The next material will deliver by Nurul.
This article used descriptive qualitative research that use survey research, namely cross-sectional surveys to describe population characteristics. This study involved 26 junior high school English teachers in Lubuk Linggau who were selected through purposive sampling technique. Data was collected using a questionnaire with closed questions in the form of multiple choice. The next material is result and discussion. Teachers' perfection of the use sociolinguistic approach in ELT. There are two aspects. First, positive aspect, and the second, negative aspect. Positive aspect. 62% of teachers agree it can improve students' skill in English. 38% of teachers agree, and 35% of are neutral that this can increase student motivation to study at home. 47% majority of teachers disagree that it helps make students prefer the use of English. 57% of teachers agree it helps students remember the material. 64% agree that it helps students change their learning style to be more enthusiastic. Negative aspect. 69% of teachers disagree that this approach ignores students' specific skills. 62% of teachers disagree that it makes students lazy to review lessons. 50% majority of teachers disagree that it focuses more on oral than written assessment. 65% of teachers disagree that it makes it difficult for students to concentrate while studying. 47% of teachers disagree, but there is a difference of opinion with 31% agreeing it makes students lazy to write. Barriers to implementation. Teacher hindering in implementation sociolinguistic approach. Based on the writer interview with the teacher, the hindering found in this study are: first, the teacher had difficulties determining the social context related to the material being taught. Second, limit time in teaching English. And the last, learning research owned by students are still minimal. Conclusion. R agree in the detail section. The use of the sociolinguistic approach in ELT has been agreed upon by teacher because give many benefits such as an increase in students' skill in English, making students more enthusiastic to review listen at home, making students like to use English, help memory students when going on exercise, and change student learning style more enthusiastically. Besides it, although the use of a sociolinguistic approach can give many benefits in ALT and has been agreed upon by the teachers, the implementation of the sociolinguistic approach has some hindrances such as determining social context related to material, limit time in teaching English, and learning research owned by students are still minimal.